I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. A buddy of mine wants a desktop for his stand-up desk. And so we picked up some white oak, but as you'll notice, only one side is edged. And so we're gonna take it to the joiner, we're gonna square it up, and we're gonna take it to the table saw as well as squaring it up there. Let's dive in. You can also use a table saw for this step if you don't have access to a joiner. Now next we put them together and we check our work. I can work with those lines. Next, when you have the lines, you want to see which you're going to use for top and which is going to be the underside. Then when you have the top, you're going to determine where your biscuits will be. And while biscuits are going to hold the desktop boards level, pocket hole screws are going to hold the desktop boards together. We're going to do the pocket hole screws from the underside. Looks pretty on this side. Oh boy, that's a heavy top. Oh yeah. Next, we'll square up the desktop. And then we'll router to the edges. Next, we want the desktop to be completely dust-free, so we wipe it down with some tack cloth. Watco tongue oil. A brush or lint-free cloth. Apply a generous amount of tongue oil in the direction of the grain. Then buff the surface with a clean lint-free cloth. All right, 15 minutes later, it's time to wipe it down. We're gonna buff it. For more woodworking projects, click the image on your screen now.